Hello all, today we'll be making an irresistibly simple mango-misu with fresh Alphonso mangoes this season. This recipe is not just easy to follow but also easy to remember because we will be using two of everything, be it mangoes, sugar or mascarpone cheese. First, we start by making the mango puree. We begin by roughly chopping up the mangoes and whizzing them straight in the blender till we have a smooth paste. To reduce the water content in the puree, we will transfer the puree to a non-stick pan on low heat for just a quick 5 to 7 minutes. If your kitchen is not already filled with the fresh aroma of the mangoes, try adding some saffron. Trust me, it would be absolute magic. Within seconds, you will see the color brighten and you know your puree is ready when it no longer runs off your spatula. Leave it to cool and use it for any recipe, like mango kalakans. Now we move to the toughest part of the recipe, separating the eggs. The trick is to use fresh eggs and a spoon to make as large a crack as possible so that when you break the shell open, you do not risk poking the yolk. The shell would be a perfect way to cut through the egg white to separate the two. With that, we deal with the egg yolks first. We start by adding 2 tablespoons of caster sugar to our yolks and blending them. You know the mixture will be done when it becomes pale yellow and further whips do not add any more air bubbles. And don't worry about over whipping. With eggs, you can never beat too much. The fluffier eggs, the lighter our cream would be for the tiramisu. Then we move on to the mascarpone cheese. Take 2 heaped spoons of cheese and 2 heaped spoons of our cooled mango puree. Soften the mixture by using a fork and mix the two well for a creamy yet light mango cheese mixture. And we leave our egg whites to the last to avoid them from deflating over time. Again, we whip them to light yet stiff peaks, and we know the egg whites will be done when you can flip the bowl without any spillages. Just like that. Last but not the least, we move to combine all 3 mixtures with a simple folding action. Form the number 8 as you fold the egg yolks and mango cheese mixture bit by bit. And be gentle because we don't want to deflate the mixture after all that whipping. You should have a light yet creamy mixture left for your mango-misu. Let's move on to assemble the mango-misu. Pour some orange juice into a flat dish and cut the ladyfinger biscuits in half. Then give them a quick dip in the juice to avoid leaving them soggy. Arrange a layer of the biscuits at the bottom and at the sides of the jar. and then add heaps of that delicious mango cream to fill the jar. Add another soaked biscuit in the middle to complete the assembling. Finish by topping off the jar with all the mixture that you prepared. Adjust the ratio just as you wish. You can add more biscuits if you like more cake in your tiramisu, and you can add more of the cream if you like it to be creamier. Lastly, we will cut up some fresh mangoes again into thin strips to finish the garnishing. Separate the strips, start with the longest one, and arrange them one after the other in a spiral for a beautiful rose to top it all off. There we go, folks. With just 3 to 4 hours in the fridge, your mango-misu is ready to be enjoyed. With that, guys, I hope you enjoyed the recipe just as much as I did. Share your comments with us below, and thank you for watching.